Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ainul Amir binti Matzali. Metric number S70677. I will present about Watson. This is from Group 5. Company background. Watson is one of a multinational company. Watson Company, established as a flagship retail brand of the company name AS, Watson Group, created in Hong Kong as the largest and biggest health and beauty retail in 1841. This company is established by Dr. Thomas Boswell Watson. This company has more than 8,000 stores and 1,500 pharmacies in 16 Asian, Europe, and Middle East markets. Watson are known as a first personal care and beauty retailers in Asia, and known as the most famous drugstore specialist in Malaysia. There are over 550 Watson stores in Malaysia since 1990. They have become one of a prominent destinations for a great deal of health products, cosmetics, skincare, and everyday personal care items. Watson aimed to establish itself as a leading retailer in health, beauty, and personal care within the scope of Malaysia and fulfill the diverse needs of all Malaysians. Next, mission, vision, and objective. Watson mission is empowering customers to look good, do good, and feel great every day. The objective is to put a smile on the face of customer, college, and communities, both today and tomorrow. Watson vision is to be the world leading and customer first choice shopping destinations for quality health, beauty, and lifestyle products and services. The tagline of Watson's is look good, do good, feel great.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syah Ainur binti Muhammad Sulaiman, metric number S70646. So today I will present for the section 2, quality issues in purchasing. For quality related challenges faced in purchasing, the first one is supplier non-conformance. This will ensuring manufacturers meet specifications and good manufacturing practice is critical. The non-conformance can lead to major quality issues managed through regular audits by Watsons and external agencies. The second one is late deliveries. Late deliveries maintaining stock for over 700 stores requires seamless logistics. This will make delays and disrupt operation and product availability. And the last one is high defect rate. Weak process control at suppliers increase internal and external failure costs, affecting product quality and also customer perceptions. The next is ensuring supplier quality assurance. The first one is ISO 9001 certifications. Watson use ISO 9001 standards specifying quality requirements in purchase agreements and monitoring supplier compliance. The second one is supplier audits. Regular audits assess cleanliness, calibration, packaging, and QC. Poor performers may be placed on probation or replaced. And the last one is inspections. Incoming inspections and statistical process control just help detect and control defects for high-risk products. The last one for this for quality issues in purchasing is quality initiative. The first one is TQM, Total Quality Management. Quality is integrated across all departments. Suppliers, our partners, and staff are encouraged to report issues and participate in training. The second one is Kaizen. Continuous small improvements using PDCA cycle and basic quality tools, which is check sheets, Pareto analysis, and fishbone diagrams. The last one is Six Sigma. This focuses on reducing defects and improving delivery performance through data-driven project and process improvement. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Noatila binti Zukairi. My metric number is S70485. So now I'm going to share how Watson Malaysia manage its delivery and logistics. Basically, how they get product from overseas right to your doorstep. First, let's look at how they move things. For product from Japan and Korea, Watson use cargo ship because it's the cheapest way to move big loads. Once the good arrive at Port Klang, they move to truck. For us customer, they use an O+O strategy, which is offline plus online strategy. This means they can choose the best way to reach us. A standard van for a normal orders or Grab motorbike if you need your items in 2 hours. Next, let's look at how does Watson stay fast without spending too much. They can use their 550 plus stores as mini warehouses. Instead of shipping a bottle of shampoo from a big HQ which is far from you, they can ship it from the nearest Watson stores around you. This helps a lot in saving petrol and time. They also let customers to choose in order to pay a small RM7 fee for normal delivery, or they need to spend a bit more for flash speed. Now, let's move to the role of 3PL partners. Watsons doesn't do all the driving themselves. They hire experts like JNT, Ninja Van, and also Grabs. These partners are the backbone of the systems. They have the riders and the hubs to reach every corner of Malaysia, including Gua Musang and other rural areas. This is especially helpful during big sales like Shopee 11/11, where this partner provide the extra manpower needed to handle thousands of extra parcels. Next, there are also risks and challenges that Watson face. It is not always smooth sailing. In 2025, the biggest problem is the rising cost of fuel since diesel subsidies were removed. Petrol now makes up almost half of the delivery cost. Also, the monsoon flood at the end of the year often block roads, especially in Pantai Timur areas. Finally, Watsons want to use electric vans, EVs, but there are not enough charging stations yet to make that easy for long trips. Here are some ideas for the future. The first one, Watson can use AI to find the shortest delivery path to save on petrol. Second, they should use more electric motorbikes in cities. Last but not least, they should encourage customers to click and collect at the stores. This is a win-win situation since it's free for the customer and save Watsons the high cost of home delivery. In short, Watson stays ahead by using their stores as hubs and working closely with delivery partners. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nuri Shafika binti Supeng. My number matric is 71251. My part is sustainable and lean purchasing practice. First, sustainable purchasing at Watson. Sustainable purchasing at Watson means choosing product, material, and supply that reduce harm to the environment while still meeting customer needs. The company focused on buying products that are produced responsibly, use fewer natural resources, and generate less wastage. This approach helps Watson balance business performance with environmental responsibility and long-term sustainability. Second, green store and operation. Watson applies sustainability in its daily operation through its greener store framework. Stores are designed using recycled or low-impact material, and energy efficiency lighting and equipment are installed to reduce electricity consumption. Employees are also trained to use resources carefully, helping to reduce water, energy, and material wastage in store and office. Third is sustainable product and packaging. Watson promotes sustainable consumption by offering eco-friendly product under its sustainable choice. This product use safe ingredients and environmental friendly packaging. The company also reduced plastic wastage by using recycled material, minimizing PVC packaging, and banning microplastic in a range of personal care products. This action helped reduce pollution and protect marine life. For lean and green procurement practice, lean and green procurement focus on eliminating wastage while improving efficiency. Watson applied this principle by reducing unnecessary packaging, avoiding over-ordering, and improve inventory management by purchasing only what is needed and using resource efficiently. The company reduced wastage, lowered costs, and minimized environmental impact. 5 is suggested improvement in sustainable purchasing. Watson can further improve sustainable purchasing by introducing supplier sustainability scorecard. This scorecard will measure supplier environmental performance and encourage continuous improvement. Expanding refill and reuse system will also reduce reliance on single-use packaging, helping to decrease wastage and resource consumption. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nushaira binti Mazani, matric number S71946. I will present about the conclusion and a reflection. For the main finding of purchasing management issues, purchasing management analysis of Watsons has demonstrated that purchasing is not only an operating activity but also a strategic part of a company. Among the conclusions, it can be stated that Watsons has to deal with a significant and diversified network of suppliers, both international and local. This poses problems with the realization of the same quality of products, on-time delivery, and the adherence of the company standards. Any disregard or latitude on the part of suppliers can have a direct impact on the store operations and satisfaction of the customers. Next, I will explain about the differences between textbook theories with the real practices. This study has taught that textbook theories are only useful in giving frameworks in purchasing management, but the real practices are much more dynamic and complex. Textbooks usually explain the process of purchasing in a sequential approach where a supplier is selected, a price is negotiable and ordered and evaluated. As a matter of fact, purchase managers at Watsons have to make decisions under stress with missing information most of the time, especially when they are facing with sudden change in demand or disruption of supply. The textbook theory is more likely to focus on formal agreements and objective criteria of evaluation. But in practical work, good relationship with suppliers are great important in problems resolved, bargaining better terms and continuity of supply. So this comparison highlights that purchasing management is more than the adherence to the theoretical models, but also the use of professional judgment, communication skill, and flexibility. For the recommendation, the first one, Watsons need to expand strategic relationships with suppliers beyond high transactional relationships. Watsons will be able to enhance the exchange of information and demand planning. The long-term cooperation can also result in the enhanced pricing and product innovation. The second is Watsons must improve on its application of online purchasing and analytics. Enhanced demand forecasting system and online monitoring of inventory may be useful in enabling a purchase manager to forecast customer demand better and modify orders. So this will decrease the unused inventory and stock outs. That's all from me. Thank you.